If you have a smart TV, the default password is probably 0000 or something similar, and it's likely connected to your home network where all your other devices are connected. That's like free money for cybercriminals. They can easily connect to any smart device and, from there, connect to all your computers or mobile devices to install a keylogger, capture passwords, or just lock you out from your computer and demand a ransom. And if you have a smart camera, they can spy on you just for fun or listen to everything you say. So what can you do? There is an option to create two Wi-Fi networks on most routers. Use one for your computers and the second for your smart devices. So in case your TV was hacked, they can't connect to your computer. If you don't know how, ask someone. It's totally worth it. If you are using Fire TV or any other streaming solution, then turn off Wi-Fi on your TV because you won't be using it. Second, change the default password and make it unique. Don't reuse the same password on all devices. Some devices offer two-factor authentication, so turn it on and a code will be sent to your phone whenever you log in. And lastly, please don't place cameras in bedrooms.